Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using the service. LoanConnect.ca is a valuable resource for Canadians seeking financial solutions. This platform serves as a loan aggregator, connecting borrowers with a wide network of lenders across the country. Instead of applying to multiple lenders individually, which can be time-consuming and impact your credit score, LoanConnect simplifies the process. You submit a single application through their website, and they distribute it to their partner lenders who may be able to offer you a loan. This streamlined approach can save you significant time and effort in your search for the right loan. LoanConnect works with various lenders, including banks, credit unions, and alternative lenders, giving borrowers access to a diverse range of loan products. Whether you're looking for a personal loan, a debt consolidation loan, or a loan for a specific purpose like a car purchase or home renovation, LoanConnect can help you explore your options. Their network encompasses lenders specializing in different credit profiles, meaning even those with less than perfect credit may find suitable loan offers. It's important to remember that loan approval is not guaranteed and depends on your individual financial circumstances. Using LoanConnect.ca is straightforward. You start by completing an online application, providing information about yourself, your financial situation, and the loan amount you're seeking. Once submitted, LoanConnect shares your application with its lending partners. If a lender is interested in offering you a loan, they will contact you directly to discuss the terms and conditions. This allows you to compare different offers and choose the one that best meets your needs and budget. Remember to carefully review the terms and conditions of any loan agreement before signing. The platform prides itself on its secure and confidential process. Your personal and financial information is protected throughout the application process. LoanConnect emphasizes transparency, ensuring you understand how the platform works and what to expect. They aim to empower borrowers by providing access to a broad spectrum of lending options and enabling informed decision-making. By simplifying the loan application process and offering a range of choices, LoanConnect.ca can be a valuable tool for Canadians navigating the borrowing landscape.